Definitely, I don't want to miss on MAD, which is music, art, and dance. Smita, she's a local rock star in Hyderabad who's coming up with a dance school, which is again a completely 8,000 square foot of dance school, which is coming up, where she's trying to emphasize more on acting and different types of dances, classical, salsa, and reggae, hip hop, you name it. There'll be a coach who is available here. So you can also kind of come and learn classes of dance, and definitely you don't want to miss on acting, who usually Hyderabad has never had an institution as such on acting school. So she's trying to emphasize on acting school also. So we are there where we are expecting around 300 to 500 students per day. So all put together, this is a complete new level of experience where the entertainment Hyderabad has not seen this kind of an entertainment. So we are trying to kind of make sure, and we're coming with 3-4 locations also in Hyderabad in different areas of Dilshuk Nagar, Secunderabad and Himayat Nagar. This is our first project and we have been getting a tremendous good response for this particular project, and I'm very happy to kind of, it really feels great, and when some kind of all levels of people are coming, and today SVM has come to a level where everybody is coming and saying, it has become more like a have you been to SVM? I mean, it is more like a yes, I mean, and whoever has not come, they are kind of taking it on more like this is a place to definitely to go and have, because the whole idea is it is not any particularly oriented, target oriented. You kind of got all age groups who can come and write from, again I'm trying to say it is 50 years to 60 years old, everybody. Corporates have been coming here for like almost of 45 years to 50 years. Still, you should see the way they're playing and the kind of different, they're literally behaving like kids. I mean, you are trying to find your inner self when you come and start playing, and that is something which is, we are really very proud to kind of share this with you people. So I'm really happy for this, and I definitely would love if anybody has not visited, I would definitely love to see them here. And it is, if you have not come, you're still missing out something, a very, very big thing, which I would say we are making Hyderabad very proud for having this kind of a thing in Hyderabad here. So please do visit us, and definitely you should, this is an experience. I mean, it's an experience. I would say if you have not seen it, it's an experience. Because Nintendo Wii and PS3, this is something which most of them have not yet seen, but if you come and experience it, you are definitely on a different level of gaming. So please do come and experience it, and it is really a pleasure to share this information with you, and I thank you for giving this opportunity.